Do you want to know what spot on questions to ask while running a reference check for your potential hire? If so, then you're watching the right video. I'll also share an instance when we avoided making a bad hiring decision by asking a set of exact questions. Before we get into details, for those who don't know me, I'm Nikita, a SHRM certified HR. I have over 15 years of experience in hiring professionals. In Recruitment Insights, I'm passionate about helping other recruiters and job seekers in reaching their professional goals. And if you would love to get all my previous lessons on job searching, interviewing, or recruiting strategies, you can get all of that over at therecruitmentinsights.com. While you are there, you can also download a free actionable checklist for hiring quality talents. Plus, you can also get a free ready-to-use resume template to level up your career. With that being said, let's get started. In my previous video, I discussed why conducting reference check is so valuable and how you can overcome the challenge of getting generic feedback to gain deep insight about your potential hire. If you haven't watched that video yet, I'll put the link in the description below. And this video is in continuation with the previous one on reference check. Today, I'll share with you the top 10 targeted questions that you should ask for not missing on any key details about your potential hire. Asking these questions will help you make informed decisions about your candidate. But before you reach out to your references via phone or email, don't forget to verify on LinkedIn whether they were in the same company during the time when your potential hire was there. And also check the job title of the references to make sure you're contacting either a former boss or someone who worked closely with the candidate. Start by cross-verifying the dates of employment and the position held by a candidate. Now here are the top 10 questions to get the responses for. Question 1. Could you please describe the type of work for which the candidate was responsible? Question 2. How would you describe their relationship with co-workers, superiors, and direct reports if they have any? Third, are they an individual contributor or they were a team player? And why do you think so? Fourth, were they in a high pressure or stressful work situation? If so, how did they handle such a situation? Fifth, how would you describe the quantity and quality of output generated by them? Sixth, what were their strengths on the job? Seventh, what were their weaknesses on the job? Eighth, what is your overall assessment of them? Ninth, would they be eligible to rehire at your company? Why or why not? And finally, 10th, how would you rate them overall on a scale of 1 to 10, where 10 being the excellent? Now, this led me to share an instance where we avoided making a bad hiring decision. We had a candidate who claimed that he has spent over 4 years at his previous company. But it turned out that he was there only for a brief 3 months, a major red flag. The discrepancy popped up when we reached to the candidate's reference. We went back to the candidate stating that this is what we have learned about him. He was reluctant to agree on that. He told me that his current company did run the ref check and it was all good. He had good luck with his current company who took the details about his previous company but never learned about his previous fake experience. I'm sure that's when he dared to share his previous boss name with us. Little did he know we would do our due diligence. He would have never shared his previous boss name with us. Having said that, we still didn't believe hearing one side of the story. And that's the reason we asked the candidate to reach out to his previous boss and have him email us to clear up this misunderstanding and confirm his work tenure that he has mentioned on his resume. Guess what? Neither did we receive an email from his previous boss nor any further communication from the candidate. This incident is a clear indication of a fake candidate. Despite candidates' attempt to mislead, a thorough reference check uncovered the truth. And in the end, we decided not to move forward with him. So that's my story. Were you ever in a similar spot? How did you handle it? Let me know in the comments below. It's the great way to learn from each other. Also, if you enjoyed this session, do let me know by giving a thumbs up here on YouTube. That would motivate me to keep making such videos. And subscribe to this channel so that you will never miss any of my new uploads. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.